Well folks, welcome back, part 2. I think last week you left us at Durness, sitting in the sun drinking beer. It's now the morning, we're having some breakfast and getting packed up camp. Let's go! Well, that's us, left the campsite. We're now back on the coastal road, winding our way from Durness to O Groats. It says it's 90 miles, so that's us for the day. That's where we're heading. Should be good, nice and scenic again already. A little bit cloudy, but the sun is poking through the cloud. He's up there, but look at them views already. Absolutely beautiful. Keep saying it, but keep seeing views like that. So we just stopped for an ice cream, a little van on the side of the road at Tongue, or on the Tongue estate, and he gives directions up to a little spot. He said a lot of people don't know about it. He said, but he'd give us directions. We've come up to the top of this viewpoint. We found this fella. Looks like he's been here a long time. Cast iron skeleton looking out on the viewpoint. Quite strange, but he said not many people know it's here. Definitely worth the stop to come and see. Cracking view. We've had a 15-minute walk up the hill, so we're above the forest canopy which is behind us. But yeah, a little bit of local knowledge sent us up here. Cracking. Well, that's it. We just made it to O Groats. Just pulled up. We'll go and have a look. But as we pulled up here, the truck's just gone round. Done 1,010 miles now from home. So, fair few. Here we go. Well, that's it. We made it. Been 23 years, 22 years since I was at Land's End. Finally made it to the other end, O Groats. We've got a sticker to go on the board over here. They ask you not to put your sticker on the post, but there's a board over here to put your sticker on. So that's exactly what we're going to do. Once I peel the back off, that's that fella's face again. We're going right there. He gets about that fella. There you go, we're on the board. Seems a long way to come to put a sticker on a board. Now at this point I bet you're all waiting for some nice drone shots. Well, we did have the drone up, but I don't know if I didn't press record or whether it didn't record, but I've got nothing to show you. But we did have a cracking ice cream, as you can expect, and we made it on out of there. So after leaving O Groats, we made our way around the coast, and that night we ended up at a nice little campsite at Durness. Heading south now, back down the east coast. Landscape's changed a lot, it's a lot flatter, still very nice, but it's a lot flatter compared to the west coast. Over the bridge and into Inverness. Drive down from Inverness back down to Fort William as it follows the route of the Caledonian Canal. So I think it's 2 or 3 locks joined together, but should be nice. Just pulled up for a quick glimpse of Loch Ness. Beautiful day again today. Absolutely beautiful. Couldn't have asked for a better week to come away. Our plan is to get back to Fort William have some grub, and then an early start in the morning to climb up Ben Nevis. Well, that's us at the Ben Nevis Visitor Centre. It's 5:30, there's not a soul here. But me and bros, we're going up the hill. Let's go. Must be mad, 5:30. We'll catch you in a bit. By no means am I any kind of climber, but I've done Snowdon a couple of times. I've been up Scarfell Pike, so there was no way I was going to take on Ben Nevis while I was in Scotland for the week. Well, we're getting there now, just out of the switchbacks. Good climb this morning. I'm roasting, but it's nice and cool at the minute. Sun's still on the other side. Haven't seen anybody yet. I don't know if we're the first up or what, but it's not been a bad walk. I know that the camera don't show these rocks properly, but you can see the sort of terrain we're on. Well folks, we're an hour in, started at 5:30, it's now 6:30. We're on the bit where it starts to flatten out before the monster switchbacks to the top. Keep pushing on, we're getting there slowly. Well, just getting onto the sunny bit, sun's breaking over the top of the ridge. We're just on the flat bit that levelled out. Just getting to the bottom of the big switchbacks. This is the bit that kills you. And I think we're doing well. So we'll keep you updated. Well, look at that, June the 9th, still got snow on it. Real hot week up in Scotland this week, and there's still snow on the peak, or near the top of the peak anyway. A lot of snow. Sun's shining now, we're getting closer and closer. Bros has dropped off a bit, but he's coming. He's doing well. Let's go. Well, the summit's in sight. Nearly conquered it. Views are just getting better and better. It's been an absolutely beautiful morning. And we're nearly there. Bit more snow on the top here. It's not even snow, it's solid ice now, it's rock hard. Oh, what a morning. Look at that. I'm not getting too close to the edge. A sheer drop down there. Absolute sheer drop. We're up here on the snow crust. There's the summit. Absolutely amazing. Made it. I've come across now to the emergency shelter. If you're up here and there's a storm or you're stuck up here, this is where you seek refuge. Should have bought a sticker up, but I didn't. Well, that about rounds this video up. I'd like to say a big thank you to Ambrose for a cracking week away. It was a blast, mate. I can't wait till the next one. If you've got this far, thanks very much for watching. I am back on it now. I'm going to be bringing fresh content every month. So if you haven't already, please consider subscribing. Thanks very much. I'll see you next time on our next adventure.